Hi viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Qmmp player on Linux Mint 18.3. Qmmp is a cross-platform and a simple user interface multimedia player. It is similar to Winamp and written in Qt, and then it is supports for FLAC and MP3 music formats and also supports embedded ID3v2 album images. Okay, now let us see how to install Qmmp player on Linux Mint 18.3. Before starting your installation, you have to need repo. So we have to add the repository of Qmmp player using the following this command. Click enter and continue. Then we have to update your system repository using by apt command. Now update is going on. The update is complete now. Then finally we have to install Qmmp player application using the following this command. Press Y and continue the installation. Now installation going on. The installation complete now. After installation, we have to click Linux Mint menu. Here we have to type Qmmp. The application show on the screen. Then we have to click this application. Now you can able to using this Qmmp player application. That's all about for installation of Qmmp player. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.